Question number 4. The base of an equilateral triangle with the side 2A lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Find the vertices of the triangle. So, given that the base of an equilateral triangle lies along the y-axis, one more thing it is given that midpoint is of the base is at the origin. Midpoint of the base is at the origin. We have to find the vertices of the triangle. Solution we can write. BC is the base of the triangle ABC such that BO is equal to CO is equal to A. Why? Because O is the midpoint at the origin. So, that is why we are taking BO is equal to CO. We are taking. Now, AB. This AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, which is equal to 2A. Now, we have to find the coordinates of A. For that purpose, consider this right triangle OAB. We are considering this right triangle. What is the right triangle? OAB. This right triangle we are considering. So, by using Pythagoras property, AB square, hypotenuse square, AB square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So, here AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Okay. So, AB square we can write AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Then we can write the values of AB. AB is how much? 2A square. 2A square is equal to 2A the whole square. 2A whole square. We can write 2A whole square. 2A whole square is equal to BO square. BO is how much? A. So, we can write A square. We can write A square plus what is AO square? That we have to find it. AO square. AO square we have to find it. Okay. Then AO square. We want AO square. A square. AO square is equal to, we have to find it. AO square is equal to, AO square is equal to 2A square. 2A square means 4A square. 4A square. 2A square minus, so 4A square minus A square. We want to find AO square. So, 2A whole square. So, we get 4A square. Transpose this A square to this side. So, we get minus A square we get. Isn't it? So, AO square is equal to 4A square minus A square we get. Isn't it? Now, AO square is equal to 4A square minus A square. So, which is equal to, we can write 4A square minus A square is equal to how much? 3A square we get. So, AO square is equal to 3A square we get. We want AO. We want what? AO is equal to square root of 3A square. 3A square which is equal to root 3A we get. Root 3A. So, plus or minus, we can write plus or minus root 3A. Plus or minus root 3A we get. Isn't it? Plus or minus root 3A we get. the required vertices of triangle are A plus or minus root 3A 0, because A lies along the x-axis, so its y-coordinate is 0. B lies along the y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0, and y-coordinate is A, because A lies above the x-axis. And C 0, its x-coordinate is 0 because it lies along the y-axis. And minus A, y-coordinate is minus A because it lies below the x-axis. So we are taking this point as negative A. Is it? Write the coordinates of A. A plus or minus root 3A 0, and C 0, comma minus A, B 0, comma A. Zero B 0 A plus or minus root 3A 0, C 0 0 A. Why? This A is below the x-axis, so we are taking this as minus A, and x-axis because C lies along the y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0. B lies along the y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0, and B lies above the x-axis, so its y-coordinate is A. Okay, is it clear for you? Thanks for watching. 0, comma A. Zero B 0 A plus or minus root 3A 0, C 0 0 A. Why? This A is below the x-axis, so we are taking this as minus A, and x-axis because C lies along the y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0. B lies along the y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0, and B lies above the x-axis, so its y-coordinate is A. Okay, here A plus or minus root 3A, and its y-coordinate is 0 because it lies along the x-axis, that is why.